Hello guys and girls, today I would like to explain a little bit about the three careers that most popular in the data universe. That's the data scientist, the data analyst and the data engineer, and what each one needs to improve to be good in your future. So what a data scientist does? A data scientist work much more with predictive models, recommendation systems, artificial intelligence, some of them based in natural language like ChatGPT, and some of them based in images like Midjourney. And what a good data scientist needs to improve to be a good data scientist: his Python skills, to be specialized in any framework that we need to, and I can't say which of them are the best ones, and to be good with statistics. We really need to get to be good in math and statistics to be a good data scientist, to better enrich and improve your models. And what a data analyst does? The data analyst is the career more close to the business level. He will need to listen what the business people need to know about their own data to create good reports, good dashboards, and other tools to very fast making decisions to improve the business. And what a good data analyst needs to know to be a very good data analyst: first, SQL, mainly query, and to be specialist in a good data visualization tool that's like Power BI and Tableau. I think that's the most popular in the market. And what a data engineer does? Well, we have in the data world, in the development world, a lot of needings, a lot of different needings, and to this we have different databases, different sources, a lot of different things. The job of the data engineer is mainly to get all this source of data, transform in much more readable data, in the much more specific modeling, that mainly dimensional modeling, and to recreate another databases that will be used mainly for the data analysts and the data scientists. So we can say that the data engineer works getting a lot of sources, a lot of different sources, using a lot of different technologies and a lot of different modelings to create a better readable data to be used for other people. And how we do this? We do this using two main techniques. That's ETL process, that means extract, transform, and load. We get the data from any kind of sources, transform the data, and load in another database that will be read by another people. Or we can invert this process using the ELT, that means extract, load, and transform. We extract the data from another place, load this data in a database, and after this we can transform the data in anything that we want. So the main things that we create are facts and dimensions. What is a fact? Facts are tables that are aggregated informations about things that happen, like sales by day, sales by products, or anything like this. What are dimensions? Dimensions are the what the fact talking about. What, for example, sales by products. The product would be a dimension because that's what the fact is talking about. Understand? If you have any questions, please let in the commentary section. And now you know a bit of these three careers. Please let me know in the commentary section which one is your favorite. And as a personal advice, I would like you to check the opportunities that have to any of these three careers. That's very important to choose what to follow now, because you would not like to study for one of these three careers that you have not opportunities. So use this to choose to. And I appreciate your time. Please subscribe to the channel, click on the like button, and I expect to see you in the next lessons. Goodbye.